Welcome to the 2026 Engineering Student Laptop Guide. This video will walk you through the essential hardware requirements needed for your engineering study. Standard laptops often fall short because engineering software demands massive processing power. For heavy computational tasks, you need a true mobile workstation. Engineering software demands power, and standard laptops fail under the load of simulations in CAD. You need a specialized machine that can handle these demands reliably. Here is the 2026 hardware blueprint. We will look at 5 key components: the processor, RAM, graphics card, storage, and display to ensure your laptop is ready for the rigors of engineering. The processor is the brain. Recommended options include Intel Core i7/i9, AMD Ryzen 7 9th, or Apple M3/M4 Pro. For the workspace, 16 GB of RAM is the minimum, but 32 is highly recommended for virtual machines and heavy simulations. For graphics, a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 4050, 5060 or better is essential for CAD and 3D modeling. For storage, a 512 GB SSD is the minimum, with 1 TB recommended for your drive. Choose a 14 to 16-inch display with IPS or OLED technology for text clarity. Since you will be carrying this across campus daily, aim for a weight under 4.5 pounds. Mac is excellent for software development, while Windows is often required for specialized CAD tools. The rule of thumb is to always check your specific course requirements first. Here is a matrix of top-tier laptops for 2026, categorized by Best Overall, Best Portable, Best for macOS, Best Typist, and Best Budget options. The Dell XPS 15 is the best overall choice. It features powerful Intel processors and dedicated NVIDIA RTX graphics, making it perfect for CAD and simulations. The Dell XPS 15 and 14 offer maximum balance. The Intel Core i7 or i9 processors provide maximum power, and the dedicated NVIDIA RTX graphics render CAD perfectly. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 is the best for performance and portability. It packs an AMD Ryzen 9 processor and RTX 4070 series graphics into a lightweight 14-inch form factor. The Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M4 chip is the best choice for macOS and software engineering. It offers high performance silicon, a long battery life, and a superior Retina display. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon is best for coding and typing. It has legendary build quality and provides the best typing experience for long coding sessions. For budget-conscious engineering students, consider the Acer Nitro 5 and ASUS VivoBook Pro 15 OLED. They offer solid performance and can handle coding and entry-level CAD efficiently at an affordable price. This chart summarizes our top laptop recommendations, highlighting their core processor and graphics card, along with their top strength. Your major dictates your hardware focus. For mechanical or civil engineering, focus on powerful RTX graphics. Choose Dell XPS or ASUS Zephyrus. For software engineering, focus on RAM and CPU. Choose Apple MacBook or Lenovo ThinkPad. Before buying, check your software. Some CAD tools require Windows and Mac, limit specific engineering applications. Also, check the weight. Keep laptops under 4.5 pounds for daily campus travel. The golden rule of 2026: do not compromise on RAM. 32 GB of RAM is key to ensuring 4 years of smooth performance with demanding engineering software. To finalize your choice, select your operating system based on major requirements. Next, pick your priority: power versus portability. Finally, secure your machine. Thank you for watching the 2026 Engineering Student Laptop Guide. We hope this information helps you select the perfect machine for your studies.